A is for alligator, swimming in the stream. B is for bear, eating honey like a dream. C is for cat, who loves to purr all day. D is for dog, who's always ready to play. Oh, the animals are here from A to Z. Every letter's got a critter just for you and me. Let's sing about the creatures big and small. We're learning and we're loving animals, one all. A, E is for elephant, so big and strong. F is for fox, sneaky all day long. G is for giraffe, with a neck so high. H is for hippo, splashing mud up to the sky. Oh, the animals are here from A to Z. Every letter's got a critter just for you and me. Let's sing about the creatures big and small. We're learning and we're loving animals, one all. I is for iguana, soaking up the sun. J is for jaguar, on the run, run, run. K is for kangaroo, hopping with her pouch. L is for lion, on the savannah couch. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for narwhal, gliding through the seas. O is for owl, who stays up all night. P is for penguin, sliding on ice. What a sight! Oh, the animals are here from A to Z. Every letter's got a critter just for you and me. Let's sing about the creatures big and small. We're learning and we're loving animals, one all. Q is for quail, hiding in the brush. R is for rabbit, in a hoppity rush. S is for snake, who slithers so slow. T is for tiger, with stripes that glow. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for vulture, circling high above the ground. W is for whale, the largest in the sea. X is for X-ray tetra, shiny as can be. Y is for yak, with a shaggy mane. Z is for zebra, trotting on the plain. Now we've sung the alphabet, A to Z. So many animals for you and me. Oh, the animals are here from A to Z. Every letter's got a critter just for you and me. We've sung about the creatures big and small.